guys, welcome back to the channel. It's that time again. It's Temu. Isn't it an exciting day? Don't you get really excited when you get a Temu package? I know I do. But let's get into here. We've got two paintings in here, so I'm really excited about this. It did arrive a day late, but because it was still within the time frame, it was supposed to come yesterday, but it didn't come today. Unfortunately, I can't get a £5 credit, which is a bummer, but never mind. But still raw marrow a bit late, but I'm going to get into here as slowly as I can. I'm not pressing too hard because we've got a paint on either side of here. I've got a Christmas one in here, and I've also got a lion one, because my favourite wild animal is a lion or a tiger. So I do like an Inyala, which is a type of deer, but ooh la la. Can you see how they sort of, oh, that's actually done me a favour, so I can go like that. But can you see how they sort of like put tape around it as well? But let's see what the first one is. Okay, right, so is it going to be the Christmas one? It is the Christmas one. Oh yes. Right, this one's been really gorgeous. So yeah, this is a what looks to be a 30x40. I'm really excited for this. I've been having a look at the Christmas ranges because obviously Christmas is coming up and it's got some wording in it. So I'm really excited for this. I've been trying to steer away from animals as best as I can because I'm getting a little bit fed up with keep doing animals, but that's what I do. I mainly do animals, but Christmas is only 5 months away and we need to get started on some Christmassy ones. So as you can see here, this feels awfully weird. Oh, this is very thin, but as you can see here, oh yes, look, we have got some sort of operating instructions. Experienced diamond painters like everyone else that does diamond painting, we don't need that. That's pish posh, but it's just there for if people don't know and it's your first time. But look how gorgeous this is. Okay, so this is a 23 colour and it says Merry Christmas. Now I'm assuming that pink is probably thunder or something. Thunderbolts and lightning, very frightening. We gotta love the guru. But yeah, look at this. I fell in love with this, and it's basically like a little Santa hut. These keep cropping up because I've seen it in the cow painting, and I've seen it in a few other paintings like the chicken I do. But they've got some trees in the background, and then you've got like, it looks like this truck down here. I've always wanted to do one that's had like a vehicle in it, and this here, I think to date, is my first vehicle painting apart from the Coca-Cola truck. So this one's obviously carrying trees. It's obviously a delivery van or something that's carrying trees. We've got a little house over there in the background, and then you've got the snow. But I really love the fact that it's got all that foliage behind it. A lovely sort of warm, wintry painting to get up on a lovely cold day and start whizzing away with some painting. So absolutely gorgeous, and I really enjoyed that. So let's put that over to one side, because we've also got ourselves a tray, pen, wax and bags, as you do. And then we're going to get into our little bag of drills. I've actually ordered something else tonight. It's forever ordering. But today I actually bought one from the works. Yes, hello, sorry. Didn't mean to put the paper in the fan intentionally, but when I have my fan on, I keep the guard off because the guard just blocks some of the ventilation. But I've actually bought something from the works, so we're going to be seeing a works haul very soon. You'll see it before this video, but we've got lilac, we've got, I don't know on that colour actually, I'm a little bit not sure, Nami sort of foliage green there, and then we've got quite a lot of this colour actually. It's really lovely. Oh yeah, that's funky. So we've got purples, browns, we'll check that for Hobie. We've got some, I'd say that's probably a maroon or a mauve, and then we've got an orange, a brown, and look, that is proper sharp in colour. Really beautiful colours. It's really vibrant. That's probably the brightest red I've seen. So yeah, lots of lovely colours in this one, some brighter colours as well. So it's always nice to work with light colours. As you can see, a bit of fuchsia pink. I've got a bush like that in my in my mum's garden. She's got a fuchsia pink. If you've been watching my videos, you'll realise why I've been laughing, because in one of my videos I spoke about